Understanding Touched in the Head, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, touched in the head. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a colorful part of the English language. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some alternatives. Whether you're learning English for fun, work, or travel, understanding such phrases can add depth to your communication skills. So, let's get started. Touched in the head is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is not thinking clearly, often implying a mild form of mental confusion or eccentricity. It's important to note that this phrase can be seen as outdated or offensive by some, as it makes light of mental health issues. The key here is understanding the context in which it's used, as it can range from a light-hearted tease among friends to a more derogatory comment. The phrase, touched in the head, originates from the belief that mental health issues were caused by a physical touch or impact to the head. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphorical expression. Understanding its origin helps us grasp why it's used to refer to someone's mental state in a less literal sense today. When using the phrase, touched in the head, it's crucial to consider the setting and the company you're in. It's more appropriate for informal contexts and should be used with caution to avoid misunderstanding or offending someone. Here's an example of its use. You must be touched in the head if you think jumping into the lake in winter is a good idea. This example shows the phrase being used in a playful, teasing manner among friends. Because of its potential sensitivity, here are some less offensive alternatives. Eccentric focuses on unusual behavior without implying mental health issues. Quirky, a light-hearted way to describe someone with unique or unconventional habits. Out there, a casual term for ideas or behaviors that are unusual or unconventional. Understanding phrases like touched in the head enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate the nuances of the language more effectively. Remember, the key to using such expressions is awareness of their implications and sensitivity to the context and audience. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!